In this video, I want to give you a better understanding of why local domain names are important and how businesses will use them. So why local domain names? Well, one of the biggest reasons people use search engines is to get information about local business. In fact, the majority of searches are done for that reason. And also, the most cost-efficient way for a business to get a huge advantage over their competitor is by capturing consumer searches and funneling them back to their main website. So what that means is, when somebody searches for a certain term, a product or a service that they're looking for locally, a local business that provides that product or service wants to get into the path of that consumer. They want to get that consumer to pay attention to them instead of their competitor. And that's exactly what a local domain name will do for them. The power of local search. By owning many web presences, a local business can capture the lion's share of new customers before their competitor does. It's extremely easy to get a top spot in the search engines for a local-based domain name or website. When you think about it, there are only a certain number of competitors in each town or city, and therefore the keywords that apply to those businesses are very specific, and there is a much smaller universe of people looking for those keywords because it's for that particular town or city. Strategy and gravity. Those are the two important reasons why a business wants to tap into the local search market. Building and owning lots of descriptive and geographic domains as part of an online strategy can help any business to run circles around their competition. Domain names can capture targeted leads and drive traffic to a company's main website and help to track ad spend more smartly.